Alright guys, so today we're going to make a quick little tool. You may have seen this already on there, but I am working on an antler handle for this knife. And I have fought with drill bits and everything and chewing this out. And a lot of people use what's called a broach. Well, you can make your various broaches out of tool steel and everything like that, but that requires a little bit of time to cut it and file it all right, make it to where the teeth will cut. So what I decided is we'll try something that the teeth are already designed to cut on. So I got a DeWalt Sawzall blade, and I think this was like $3 or $4. I'll put a picture in now. Showing what this cost, but we're going to modify this so that you can use it as a broach. So let's go over to the grinder and we'll do this quickly. So we're just going to pretty much take it and grind this backside down, keeping it cool so we don't ruin the temper. We're going to take and knock these teeth off now. Alright guys, so there is a quick and dirty broach. If you want, you can take and put some kind of handle on this. I'll probably just take some electrical tape for the time being and wrap some handle wrap around it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll get to seeing how this does. So here it is. There's proof right there. What I liked about this blade more than I liked about some of the others is that little tooth right there. Because yeah, if I'm doing straight wood, I can stick it in there and kind of probably almost saw, because it's what it is. It's a sawzall blade, a reciprocating saw blade. But that one little tooth, I can get in there with something like this, get in there and hook it and just pull out that. I really liked that part of this blade, but I definitely would like to have somewhat of a handle on it. It is kind of painful to the hand, but I mean, quick and dirty right here. I think it cost me like $4 to make. Probably didn't take me 5 minutes. I mean, it cost me $4 for the blade, and it probably didn't cost me take me 5 minutes to make it. So I mean, right there's, that thing is perfect. So it's quick, dirty, but figured I'd share that with y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day, a blessed one as well, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.